Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Discord voice messages. So first up, what you need to do is to open your Discord on a browser. Now do take note that you have to open Discord on a browser and not use the direct Discord app because Discord doesn't offer the feature to directly download voice messages. So once you open Discord on your browser, make sure to open the chat containing the voice message. And then from here, just press Ctrl Shift I to open this right here. And if it's showing no recording network activity, then just press Ctrl plus R to reload it. And then from here, press Ctrl F. And then we're going to search for voice-message.ogg. Now hit enter. And as you can see, it gives us a bunch of results. I'm just going to go ahead and click this first result so that it will appear right on this section. And then just look for this URL containing the voice-message.ogg. Make sure to select the URL instead of the proxy URL. And then we're just going to copy this link all the way here. Copy that and then paste it on a new tab, and it will automatically download the voice message for us. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.